What is up, guys? Devontae here. Today we're about to just talk about putting yourself in the best position to earn the maximum amount of money in online marketing. Because as of right now, as you know, I'm only a $7 member. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go to supercharge my system right here and just show you guys a few of the features that you would get on top of just having higher streams of income. Well, not higher streams, but just higher commissions. So, because of course you don't want to just be earning $6 forever. You know what I'm saying? That's not the goal. You know what I'm saying? Because let me take a look at my email right here. Like I said before, the process is the same. If you're making a $6 commission, it could be duplicated in that same process. In that same process of making a $6 commission, you could make a $250 commission or even a much higher commission, because the process is still the same. It's all the same. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna go back to the features here when you upgrade, and of course you get unlimited amounts of captured pages you can create and get customized with for personal branding. Unlimited captured pages. You can create your own Google Hangout page if you choose to. But I'm actually trying to get to one feature here. Of course, you can integrate Aweber and your Get Response, and you got a lot more training as well. But the main thing I want to talk about is this commissions area. So right here, if you don't know, when you upgrade, there is a monthly fee of about a $52 fee there, as you can see. And if you're a silver member, it's $30 a month. And if you're anywhere above that, above the gold membership, it's about $53. But if let's say you were at the gold membership and you kind of worried about your monthly payment plan, if you refer 3 people to get your gold membership, then that monthly fee will just come right out of your commissions and not from your bank account. So like, if you have more than what you are being charged monthly in your commissions, then they're just going to take it out of your commissions instead of just your account. So that's also a good move, very powerful. So you won't be coming out of pocket, and that's the ultimate goal, is to not come out of pocket. Use your profits for that, for monthly fees, and using your profits for traffic and monthly fees. So that's the ultimate goal, is not be coming out of pocket. All right. And of course you get residual incomes, and you even got a fast start bonus, which those are about like $200 or $500 commissions there. So we're talking about $500 commissions. And like I said before, the process of making those higher commissions and these $6 commissions are the same. So just keep that in mind. And when you upgrade, you get the free ad secrets, unlimited free advertising. You will learn how to get that, and as well as the Social Profit Academy and the Master Traffic Institute, which is when you get at the highest, level. So I think that's about $1,000 upgrades you're gonna have to pay for if you want to get this Master Traffic Institute. That's about $1,000, but that won't even seem like a lot of money, once you start getting your commissions start coming in. Because when you get to that point, you can start getting paid $1,000 direct pay line commission. So that's $1,000 commissions right there. $200 overrides. Like, that's crazy commissions coming, and you're losing money, because me being at only the $6 membership, I'm losing money because the guy, he just upgraded to the gold membership, so he surpassed me ×2. So you definitely don't want to be leaving money on the table. So the main point I want to hit on this video is to just start where you can, but put yourself at the best position to earn the maximum amount of dollars, because you don't want to be leaving money on the table when that could have been collected and brought to the house, your in-house commissions and things like that. So put yourself at the highest possible level to earn and scale your business, guys. That's what you're trying to do, is just scale up. I like making these videos because there's probably some people out there that's probably in the same boat as I am, or even probably people that's not even in the game yet. So that's why I like making these videos, just to give people some advice and where to go and what to do when things like this happen where you're not so sure or something like that. And I like documenting my progress, my progression. That's very important as well for people later down the road that may be looking at this like, hey, I need this. So these types of videos are important. But not to get too off topic, my last point here: put yourself in the best position to earn. So that could mean you on the sidelines for a little minute, saving your money from your job or whatever, saving your money so you can get to that point and not get to where I'm at when you're, leaving money on the table. So you don't want to leave money on the table. That's not a very good feeling, especially when you're making money online. Like somebody else got a commission because of my hard work, basically. So again, start out where you can. My name is Devontae. See you next video. Peace.